I found out so many things when I was learning about Vishuddhi Chakra. It's so amazing, and I can't believe that it's for me. And I really know now that it's for me and everybody else, because it's collectivity and self-esteem, which I have not that much, but I am getting better. It's so good. And when I start finding out that I need to work on my Vishuddhi Chakra, it's so amazing knowledge which is coming through on my way, and I found out that it's all about, you know, God and Allah. And I was so nervous about the mantras. When everybody was singing mantras, I got nervous and I just stay quiet, or you know. But I found out that this Vishuddhi Chakra is all about God and Allah, which we just say, but it's only one, and it's about oneness and togetherness. But mostly things, when I found out, I have so many doubts and conditioning, which I don't know about that. And I thought, oh, I am okay, I am very collective, because wherever I go, I make friends. But I know that something is inside me is blocking me something. And it's the sister relationship, which I found out in maybe 1 month before. I found out that I hadn't talked to my sister for maybe 2 years, or I don't know how I stopped this, but it's like something that we cannot have compatibility, and it's maybe my ego. Now I find that it's my ego. So Vishuddhi Chakra is all about connected with ego, and it's connected with the right super ego and ego, which I learned from Shri Mataji's talk about these things. And suddenly I called my sister, and she was waiting for my call, and we start connecting each other. It's so good. I can't tell you guys. And I don't know, we are not sharing, the knowledge about the plexus and these things, which I forget everything. I read so many. We read so many things, but when Ivana gave me the book about mantras, I thought that it's not for me, and I put it in my night table, and I was reading, and as soon as I opened this, it's the Vishuddhi Chakra open automatically. And it says the kalma, Muslim people read that, and it said that, and about all the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam 99 names. And I was so amazed. I said, oh, I had some doubts, oh, what's going on, what I am doing in Sahaj Yoga, because I don't know about the Sanskrit. So I have doubts that I don't know what I am saying, and I don't know, is this okay for me to read these things about mantras? So everything is clear suddenly. And I remember now 1 month before, when is the Sahasrar Puja, Preeti called me and she asked me, are you going to puja? I said, I think I'm not ready for these things, deep things. I'm not ready for pujas, because they are doing very difficult things there, which I don't know. So about, everything in Mataji's birthday, I got confused, but I got so much vibrations over there. But even then I had conditions, so I thought I am not going to Sahasrar Puja. She said, okay, I think you just surrender and ask Mataji. I said, okay. Then I forget. At night I was meditating, and suddenly I asked Mataji that, what can I do? I get, tired of these things. Should I go or not? And it makes me so headache. So I just feel that she just very close to me and hugged me, and she said that, don't worry too much and don't think, just enjoy. And she laughed and hugged me, and I, from since now I can feel this hug. And after that I was so light, and like very, very light. I can't explain these cheerful feelings to you. But I went next day to Chandra's house, and it was so amazing. I cannot believe in, I cannot explain this in the words. It's very heavenly feelings over there. You can feel that. It's in me now. It's I can't say it. I can keep the ocean in me, but it's in me. Whenever I need, I feel that feelings.